Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well and preparing seriously for your IELTS exam. If you are preparing for IELTS, especially writing task 2, then this lesson is extremely important for you. So please watch this video till the end. And many students think that IELTS writing task 2 is only about ideas, vocabulary and grammar. They memorize difficult words, practice grammar rules, and still they lose marks. Why does happen this? This usually because students do not understand essay type clearly, and writing task 2 has a different type of essay, and each essay type need a specific structure and a specific writing strategy. If you are use the wrong structure, even with good English, your band score will be down. Then in this video we are starting a complete series on IELTS writing task 2 essay types step by step in a very simple and practical way. Today we are starting with the most common and also the most confusing essay type. Discuss both the view. If you understand this essay type properly, it will help you to answer the question correctly, organize your idea clearly, and improve your overall band score. So, keep a notebook ready, listen carefully, and let's get started. Now, let me explain what exactly you will learn in today's lesson. We are focusing on essay type 1. Discuss both view and give your opinion. By the end of this lesson, you will understand this essay type step by step in a very clear and practical way. First, you will learn what this essay type actually means. Many students read the questions, but they do not truly understand what IELTS is asking. Second, you will learn why many students misinterpret the task and lose marks, even after writing long essay. Third, I will explain how IELTS examiner evaluate this essay type and what they are looking for in your IELTS answer. Most importantly, you will understand what examiner expect to see in high band answer. After that, we will focus on essay structure. You will clearly learn how to write an introduction, body paragraph for the first view, body paragraph for the second view, your opinion paragraph, and a strong conclusion. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to write in each paragraph and what mistake you must avoid. Now let us understand what essay type 1 actually is. This essay type is called Discuss both view and give your opinion. This essay checks your ability to write in balanced, logical, and well-organized manner. The examiner wants to see whether you can do 4 important things. First, can you discuss 2 opposite views on the same topic? Second, can you explain both sides fairly and objectively without emotional language? Third, can you give your own opinion clearly? And finally, can you support your opinion with logical reason and examples? So remember one very important point. This essay type is a discussion plus opinion. It is not an opinion only essay. So it is not an advantages and disadvantages essay. This is a very important. If you discuss only one view, your score will drop. If your opinion is missing or unclear, your band score will reduce. For high band, balanced and clarity are essential. Now, we see how this essay type appears in the exam. In IELTS, the question wording can change, but the task remains the same. You may see question like discuss both view and give your opinion, discuss both perspective and state your view, and discuss both sides of the argument and give your opinion. Even though the wording looks different, do not panic. The task is a requirement is always the same. You must discuss two different views and you must clearly state your own opinion. Do not focus too much on the exact words. Instead, focus on what the question is asking you to do. As long as you explain both views clearly and give a clear opinion, you're answering the question correctly. Now let us talk about the overall essay structure. To achieve a high band score, follow this simple and safe 4-paragraph structure. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Here, you introduce the topic, mention that there are two views and briefly state your opinion. Paragraph 2, Body paragraph 1. You explain the first view with reason or examples. Number 2, paragraph number 2 and paragraph 3. You will explain the second view again with reasons or examples. Now paragraph 4, in conclusion. You restate your opinion clearly and briefly summarize both views. This structure is logical, easy for the examiner to follow, and very safe for IELTS. Important warning: do not write extra paragraph, do not mix different ideas in one paragraph. Always remember, one paragraph equal to one clear purpose. Now let us focus on the introduction paragraph. A strong introduction sets the direction of your essay. Your introduction should introduce the topic clearly, show that there are two different views, but it should not explain ideas in details, strongly argue your opinion. Here is a safe introduction format you can use in the exam. There are slipped opinion regarding your topic. Some people believe that first view, while others argue that second view. Both perspectives have their own merits, which will be discussed before presenting my opinion. This introduction works because it sounds formal and academic. It avoids personal language like I think. It's clear so that the essay will discuss. Remember, keep your introduction short and natural. Save details, opinion for later. Now we move to body paragraph 1, where we discuss the first view. In this paragraph, focus on only one viewpoint. Your job is to explain and support this view, not to judge it. Here is a safe structure you can follow. Examining the former view, that first view, the main reason is main point. Now, this is because clear explanation. Furthermore, second reason, which strengthens this argument. For example, relevant example. Important rules: do not argue against the view here. Do not mention your opinion here. Just explain the first view logically and clearly. Now we move to body paragraph 2, which explains the second view. The paragraph should be written in the same balanced and natural tone. Here is a safe structure. First, on the other hand, those who believe that, and now second view. Argue that your main point here. Now second, this is because, then explanation, and then another reason, in addition, and then after your another reason. For instance, then your examples. Important rules: do not mix the first view here. Do not criticize the view. Explain it fairly just like the first one. Now comes to the most important paragraph, your opinion. This is where the examiner must clearly understand which side you support. A safe structure is: In my opinion, I firmly support the second view. The main justification for that is strong reason, and additionally another reason. For instance, short examples. Critical rule: do not sit in the middle. Do not say both sides are equal. Choose one clear side and support it strongly. A clear opinion equal to higher band score. Now we move to write a strong conclusion. Your conclusion should summarize both views briefly. Clearly repeat your opinion, not introduce new ideas. A safe conclusion structure is to conclude although there are supporters of other view. The argument discussed above clearly show that. Then your conclusion. Continue. The view your support is a more effective approach. Tips: keep it short, no examples, no new explanations, and with confidence. Now let us talk about common mistakes students make. Many students discuss only one view, give an unclear opinion, and repeat ideas, use formal languages, or write no proper conclusion. These mistakes show your poor task understanding. Even with a good English, this error can reduce your band score. To achieve band 7 or higher, always remember: discuss both views equally, explain ideas clearly, and use formal linking words, give your one clear opinion, and follow paragraph structure. Finally, this brings us to the end of essay type 1. Discuss both views and give your opinion. If you understand these structures clearly, half of writing task to become easy. In this next video, we will move to essay type 2 step by step. If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Thank you for watching and all the best for your IELTS preparation.